Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The next guidance that I'm working on is a shadow will be speaking ill of your partner. Be careful of your words. Be careful with your words. It can work against your manifestations. So there is something that is working against in the energy, okay, because there is magic done on you. So your mind is not with you right now completely. You need to be very cautious of the shadows. When shadow talks to you na, it's like you are not able to get through the right understanding why this message is coming to me, why I'm thinking like that. Okay, so it's others shadow, it's others projected shadow which is talking to you, and you need to be very careful of knowing that is it me talking, is it my intuition saying to me, answering to me, or is it something popping in my head from the outside. Okay, so be very careful for that. We are going to get the messages relevant in relevance to this only. We have King of Swords, Ace of Cups, and Princess of Pentacle. So we have echoing hills. So it's like, something will be echoed to you. It's like provided in your own bodily chakra, like it's been fed into you, and that negative entity is working against you right now. You need to release that. It's very very clear because it is related to your emotional fulfillment, like some sort of emotional fulfillment you are seeking, but you're not able to get that. So when you don't get the emotional fulfillments, you are definitely bound to think otherwise. Okay, so this is what is going to happen here. You need to keep your strength. You need to look for the ways that how you need to answer this echo or dissolve it, because if you don't dissolve it, it will keep in popping up in you. Okay, so you need to dissolve it. You need to know how can I get through this. Okay, you need to work with the forces of your own life, like use your words, use your understanding, use your emotions, use your inner knowing, use your perception. So you have to bind it with your own knowing, because you are a magician. You can alchemize it, you can very well alchemize it. That is why you are being known of it. You are being told about this because you can do it. You might think like, oh, I am not aware of such things, how can I do? But that can possibly be done only in knowing that all that is just is an illusionary thing. It's an illusion thrown onto you. If you work with knowing that I am settled, I am emotionally stable, I can do whatever I want to, this thing which you're projecting onto me, when you say it in the universe, in the vibration, like I don't bother, I don't accept. Whatever you are telling me is not true. Whatever I feel, whatever my intuition is telling me, that is true. When you work like that, no, then all that is not working for you will definitely be transformed. So death card is here. It is simply telling you to transform all those energies which are not here to provide the better things for you, to make you stable, because that is again a challenge for you to make yourself stable. Not everybody is able to do that. Not everybody is known to that. So you have to work with the Gemini, with the understanding of your words, with the knowing the right kind of communication, knowing that I can create the communication that I really want and I can make that happen. So that is only you need to create here. It is advisable to you to know that only your words can do the work here, the magic here, nothing else. Because I'm sorry, क्योंकि because the communication is going to be very vital, uh, very vital here, because if you try to do it with your actions, you're not showing it to anybody, you are saying it to yourself. Okay, so it's not a show business. It's like showing it to yourself that yes, I believe. So when your perception is changed, when you work with your air energy, air is basically changing your perception. All that strife that you're feeling, when you take the rest from it, that I don't have to become the robot for achieving my things, when you nullify that energy, you dominate the energy. You take power over the unnecessary strife that is going on in your head, and you'll be able to seek the happiness over or win over any situation that you are not able to manage, right? So King of Cups is here. You'll be able to take the waters, take the oh my god, take the problem in your hand. My all the cards fell off. It just simple means that, you know, this is the kind of shadow problem. You know, a shadow is going to create this kind of problem, like everything is going to be falling on your head, and you will be like, how can this be done? How can I overcome it? So the only way to overcome it is by showing no attachment to it, is by showing that I am not attached to you. I have to alchemize the energy in order to work it in my favor, to create it in my favor. Okay? Yeah, mental conflict. This confirms the message that you will have a lot of mental conflict, because the energy is working like that. Okay, so you have to know that only you can possibly, not possibly, only you can transform this energy. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So when you transform, you come out. When you transform, you come out of that illusion. You understand that I take the power. I have never seen this image, you know, this particular image from a very long time. I am seeing it first time. So when you work with your emotion, when you channelize your emotion in a better way, like you're thinking, this person is thinking a lot of gray energy, lot of shadow energy, and when you transform that shadow energy into something better, into bringing good for you, into bringing a nurturing energy only for you, when you work with your third eye, when you know that, you know, you're working for your higher version, when you're working for your better version, then these things will no longer resonate with you. Okay, last card. Please give me the last guidance for this reading. Lot of emotional setbacks you may have right now. Okay, so be ready. You know, these setbacks are just to place you or, you know, to demean you, to belittle you, but that's okay. You might encounter some kind of entities around you who will create conflict in your life, but you need to know that they cannot take power over me, right? Crown chakra, you will get to know about all that which is not working in your favor, but you need to alchemize it so that you can move towards a better understanding of creating the right emotion or a right fulfillment for you. Okay, so this reading is here. I'm just going to end it here because that is what I'm channeling right now. So thank you so much, guys. Take care.